Global University Business Club Limited, Gubico, eating your cake and having it as well. The problem Gubico addresses and solution. Gubico is a lately founded public limited company incorporated on 22nd January 2021. The company's founding was informed by two researchers out of Julius Babiaseza's PhD study. The studies were gainful self-employment among tertiary education graduates in Uganda, whose publication can be seen by visiting the link below. The study's structure deployed Stephen Kemi's cyclical model of plan, act, observe, and reflect. This informed a new study entitled Learning by Doing for Gainful Self-Employment among Students and Graduates in Uganda in Entrepreneurship Clubs and Societies, which can be seen by visiting the link below. The problem Gubico solves. Gubico addresses Uganda's grand problem, the graduate unemployment, raging at 87% according to 2020 National Planning Authority report, but which is also a global challenge, especially in LDCs in the light of youth unemployment. The solution: replication into community and commercialization of university-based students' projects, which makes universities entrepreneurial by directly intervening in improving societal well-being. This enhances students' top graduates' transition to the labor market, self-employment, entrepreneurship, and hired employment readiness. Business process. Gubico engages students to come up with business initiative ideas, which they upload to Gubico's website www.gubico.com, where Gubico mentors them entrepreneurially. Gubico's digital home is made in such a way that entrepreneurs have shelves in which they can display up to 5 initiatives of other entrepreneurs. The more one initiative appears on other entrepreneurs' shelves, the more it ranks high. At the end of every month, Gubico picks the topmost initiatives and supports them with technical development financing using Gubico Circle scheme finances. This is mobilized savings from university communities, students and staff as the financing portal for the university-based students projects. Market opportunity. Gubico's target audience, the customers, are universities communities, including students, staff, mostly academic, universities themselves, universities surrounding communities, and the society at large. Gubico stresses the affective and psychomotor domains, that is, training the hands or hands-on, which is the learning by doing in which all the above audiences are active. Business analysis, strength and opportunities. The business process is overly digital, leveraging on the current trends of COVID-19 and its aftermath's focus of online. Market is overwhelmingly huge. Gubico's key stakeholders are universities, who are knowledge powerhouses, making universities entrepreneurial, outsourcing through signing memorandum of understanding with universities to use their facilities such as business parks. Weakness and threats, they are minimal if any. Gubico's needs. Gubico's needs are largely capital investment expenditure. These are, firstly, the digital facility for meeting the bill for designing the website of the rigor of HyperCollins. Digital Launchpads Africa 118 has reached to Gubico to design the website, costing 18 million Ugandan shillings, equivalent to $5,000. Next, website hosting at a cost of 1 million Ugandan shillings, equivalent to $300. Next, Gubico scheme circle capitalization, costing 1 billion Ugandan shillings, equivalent to $250,000, and the total capital investment expenditure is 1 billion 19 million Ugandan shillings, equivalent to $300 As a public limited company, Gubico is readying a prospectus for submitting to Capital Market Authority to offer the public 1 million shares, each Ugandan shillings 20,000, equivalent to 5.5 US dollars, thus looking forward to raising Ugandan shillings 20 billion, equivalent to 5.5 million US dollars from the sale of shares. Gubico plans. Gubico is a newly created public limited company ready to commence operations as soon as Digital Launchpads Africa 118 avails the website. We finished testing the markets with the studies indicated in the section of the problem Gubico addresses and solution. We are certain of Gubico's business process, the business model, delivering drawing from Mr. BS's experience with HyperCollins, while ready to publish Destined to Triumph, which can be seen by visiting the link below. At HyperCollins, each author has a shelf in which one can display at most 5 books of other authors. The more one's book appears on other authors' shelves, the more it ranks high. At the end of each month, HyperCollins picks top-ranking 5 books and finances their publication. Gubico has a kindred business process, the business model, as shared in the business process section.